Today I'll be showing you how to make a paper boat. A paper bird, an origami bird. It's very similar how to make an origami boat. If you're not sure, you can just go to my one and you can check out how to make an origami boat. So first, you fold it in half. Going upwards, not sideways. Then you fold it down. Then you unfold. Make sure this flap is open down here or else it'll get messed up. Because if it's like this, you can't really do the next thing. And then you fold it. It's very similar to like a paper airplane. Not really, so you already know. You just need to do the end part. Very easy. Then you fold up. Make sure it's all the way up. Turn out right. My brother pretty much failed on this. And fold in both ends. And fold up. Then fold it again. Here, then I fold up. Then you take the inside and flip up. Told you it's very similar how to make an origami boat. Just beware, don't try to fly the origami bird because it will drop it. Don't fly that. And if you do, it will start flipping around. Flip over. Flip down. If you're watching it to memorize how to make an origami boat, almost there. Yeah. Oh my God. Sorry. Then you fold in like last time. Then this is the end if you want to make an origami boat. Let's see. And now you're practically done. But the origami bird part, it's very simple. You fold. Then fold down. Supposed to be like a face right there. Let's see. Can you start over? Well, forget that. Then fold down. Then fold up. And then if you want to fly, you can just put it like this and you unfold and fold. Ooh, and one more part, one more detail, you don't need to do this. You fold the ends up like that to each side. There's no way to make it really equal unless you fold it in half. Now you're done.
That's it.